Take a break from summer heat and humidity with these exciting new Walthers models featured in the June-July edition of Walthers New Product Express. The perfect complement to your HO Streamliner fleet, our brand new WalthersProto FP7 locos deliver amazing detail and performance. Newly tooled to match the longer passenger units first introduced in 1949, these engineering drawings of our upcoming SP and Pennsy models provide just a glimpse of the incredible array of road-specific details you'll find in every one of these replicas. Along with the Milwaukee Road locos announced for the Twin Cities Hiawatha name train, Amtrak, Sioux Line, Southern, Via, Pennsylvania, and Southern Pacific versions will be available in FP7 F7B, FP7 FP7, or FP7 F9B sets as appropriate, along with matching individual FP7s. Each will be available with ESU sound and DCC for both DCC and DC layouts, or standard DC models as well. Check out the full list of features and more at Walthers.com. Start a lifetime of HO fun with the new hobby-quality Flyer Express train sets from WalthersTrainline, available with Wi-Fi-enabled web-based train control or standard DC. Each set is complete with upgraded Power-Loc track that delivers improved realism and performance with easy assembly, a new WalthersTrainline EMD GP15-1 diesel, plus a matching caboose and 3 freight cars, all equipped with metal wheels and Protomax metal knuckle couplers. To get the fun rolling, a full-color copy of Walthers Getting Started Guide for New Modelers and complete setup and operating instructions are all included. The new WiFlyer Express adds to the fun with simple DCC technology that'll appeal to kids of all ages. You can run 1 or 2 trains using most Wi-Fi-enabled tablets, phones, or other devices, which are required but not included, or 2 trains independently from 2 devices. Engines in these sets are complete with a factory-installed sound and control decoder featuring diesel engine, horn, and bell sounds. Available painted and lettered for BNSF Railway, Canadian Pacific, and CSX, reserve yours for the fall 2019 delivery now. Add more operating fun to Walthers Trainline and other HO sets, each sold separately in minutes with the easy-to-use Power-Loc track, now with nickel-silver rail for better performance, plus brown ties and gray roadbed for added realism. 4 packs of matching 9-inch straight or curved sections will be available separately, or grow your empire with a track expansion set that includes a left and right-hand manual turnout, 2 LED illuminated track bumpers, 2 track adapters that connect to standard sectional track systems, and 4 each straight and curved tracks. Designed for easy assembly, all Power-Loc sections just snap together with no tools needed, and built-in contacts eliminate separate rail joiners. The solid roadbed base can be set up on almost any surface, and its tough construction means you can leave tracks connected for easier storage, ready for your next railroad adventure. Power HO Scale freight trains in style with a fleet of these hardworking GP15-1 diesels on the job. Affordably priced and fully assembled, they're built tough for years of operating fun. Hobby quality features include all-wheel drive and electrical pickup, a powerful can motor with flywheel, a heavy die-cast metal frame for added pulling power, body-mounted magnetic knuckle couplers, directional headlights, and RP25 wheels. 6 colorful road names include BNSF Railway, Canadian Pacific, Conrail, CSX, Norfolk Southern, and Union Pacific, perfect for expanding train sets or operating layouts. Add authentic equipment to operations from the 1960s to 1980s with WalthersMainline 40-foot AAR Modernized 1948 boxcars. Built by the thousands after World War II, most had lots of life left when new safety standards were adopted in the mid-1960s that eliminated running boards from most freight cars. Many roads opted for inexpensive upgrades to bring their cars into compliance, installing short ladders on the A end while retaining the longer ladder, high brake wheel, and a single roof-mounted grab iron on the B end. Running into the 1980s in regular service, some were later reassigned to maintenance of way work. Fully assembled and ready for assignment, 9 colorful schemes will be available, including Santa Fe, Burlington Northern, CP Rail, Ferrocarril del Pacifico, Great Northern, Lehigh Valley, Penn Central, and Union Pacific, or build a custom car with the undecorated version. You've asked for them, and Walthers delivers the all-new Cornerstone UPS Hub with customer center and end scale. This officially licensed structure is typical of operations found in many city industrial areas housed in a tip-up style structure. The model comes with a factory-printed freestanding entry sign, and you can add your choice of a factory-printed modern shield or bow tie sign to the main building. The Walthers Cornerstone Truck and Railroad Docks Kit is an easy way to add modern loading dock doors to your end-scale layouts industrial structures. Each set includes modern roll-up doors and appropriate bellows to replace loading doors on older buildings. Great for kit bashing and customizing, this set includes correct size doors for 4 truck docks, 2 drive-through truck doors, and 2 rail car loading dock doors. Parts are molded in 2 colors and match parts in Walthers N-Scale tip-up concrete structure kits, each available separately. Look for more information and photos in the June-July Walthers flyer, available now at participating dealers, or visit us online at walthers.com. Thanks for watching.